So this video is a basic demonstration of how an electronic voting machine or EVM works. So this is a homemade EVM emulator, you can say. It emulates all the voting mechanism that an EVM perform, and also it has a VVPAT emulator. So this system or prototype is connected to the power supply, as you can see. And so basically, for demonstration purpose, I have included 3 buttons for 3 different party candidates. The disclaimer should stand clear that has been shown already in the beginning of the video. So based on my local area, I have emulated 3 political parties here. 3 different buttons function accordingly. So now let's test it as an experiment. So first let me press this button. So as you can see, the corresponding party logo is being shown in the VVPAT for a few seconds, and then I vote for the next. Another has been shown, and then the next. I think the logos are clear, so let's do it again. So now let's assume that the voting operation has been performed, and consequently we will turn off the EVM power supply to check whether the values or the voting results gets retained or not. So I have turned the power supply on, and you can see the buttons are not working anymore because the power supply has been on. And now we will burn the code to read the results from the EVM machine that has been done during the date of voting results. So I am now burning my EVM emulator with the code to read the results from the EVM, the voting results. As you can see, it is being uploaded to my microcontroller board, and let me open my serial monitor to get the display of what are the results. So now the machine is programmed such a way that if I press this button, then I will get the results from the machine, and if I press this button, the stored results will be cleared from the device. So let me press this button. Let me press this. I pressed it, and now see, the results are on your screen. Okay, so I have read it from the machine that during the experimental procedure, how many votes I have casted to different parties, and the results are shown in the figure. If you doubt that it is being done just by the code, to show you that it is not, I am disconnecting my board from my computer. So now it is disconnected. As you can see, the serial monitor has become gray. It is disconnected. Now let me plug it again. Let me read it from there. So as you can see, again it has retained the correct values from the EVM. And now if I use this button to make the EVM again ready for the voting operations without any pre-stored values, so I am resetting my whole machine. That will erase all the data from the EVM. So I am erased it, and now let's read it again to double check it. So Now I have read that. You can see that all the voting results are now at 0. So this was a basic demonstration or an EVM emulator, as you can see. Thanks for watching.